Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your MG Windsor. To begin, locate your vehicle's charging port, which is conveniently positioned on the front grille. You will primarily use a Type 2 connector for standard alternating current home charging and a CCS connector for faster direct current public charging. Understanding these two main types of connectors is crucial, as it ensures you always have the correct connection for your specific charging needs, whether at home or on the go. Charging at home offers great convenience. You can use a standard household 3-pin plug, which provides about 2.3 kilowatts, taking around 34 hours for a full charge. For much faster home charging, consider installing a dedicated wall charger, typically 7.4 kilowatts. This can fully charge your MG Windsor's 50.3 kilowatt-hour battery in approximately 9 to 11 hours, perfect for overnight charging. When you are on the go, public charging stations are readily available. You will find both AC and DC options. For faster charging, look for DC rapid chargers, which use a CCS connector. A common 50 kilowatt rapid charger can boost your battery from 0 to 80% in approximately 60 minutes, making it ideal for longer journeys or quick stops. Some stations offer even faster speeds, up to 80 kilowatts. To maximize your MG Windsor's battery life, adopt smart charging habits. It is generally recommended to keep your battery charge level between 20 and 80% for optimal health. While occasional full charges are fine, consistently charging to 100% or letting it drain to 0 can impact longevity. Always ensure your charging cables are securely connected and well-maintained for safety and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.